Landing.
Alright guys, so the Mavic just landed, and as you can see, it's about 2 inches away from the original starting spot, a little bit to the left and backwards a little bit. So considering there was no precision hovering and landing active, there's no return to home, I would consider that really good. The entire drift for 23 minutes and 30 seconds was perfect. As you can see right here, 23 minutes, 30 seconds was the complete flight time. I wish I could blow that up for you. But anyway, so yeah, the Mavic landed at 4% with, now it's at 3 from just sitting on the ground. But as you can see, it did really, really well. Definitely really little amount of drift, and of course, everything is working just great on the Mavic. So that's the flight time test for the Mavic. I hope to make other renditions for this drone, like some speed tests versus flight time, things like that. So if you are really interested in one of those, I will definitely try to get one out as soon as possible. So please like and subscribe down below, and make sure to comment if you have any questions. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.